Just look at them, they're so cute. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be making a super cute miniature craft using UV resin. But before we start, I'd just like to say welcome to all of you who are new. Make sure you stay and click subscribe and turn on all notifications. And before I forget, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I bring out a few videos every week featuring crafty DIYs, hauls, shop with me's and more. So let's jump right in. First things first, put on your disposable gloves so the chemicals don't get onto your hands. This is the UV resin bottle that I'm using, and I got this from China from eBay. If you want the link to this, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Get yourself some sand. And I'm using this tea light holder that I brought from Wilko. Create a base layer using sand, then mix in some UV resin. Turn on your UV resin machine and then pop in your first layer under there. I'm going to cure this for around 7 minutes. Okay, let's see if that's all cured now. All good, completely solid. I'm taking a shot glass and I'm going to mix some blue dye and some UV resin to make the ocean. Now you have your mixture ready, pour it in as a second layer. Make sure that none of this goes to waste because it all equals money. I've left a small amount of space, so I'm going to cure this. Then I'm going to add a small final layer of just clear UV resin. Again, I'm going to cure this for around 7 minutes. So this layer is all cured now, and I'm going to take the UV resin and just pour a final layer. Going to cure the final top layer for around 5 or 7 minutes. Now just to finish off, I'm not going to pour a layer, but what I'm going to do is just put a drop in the center just to hold my 2 figurines in. Turn on your UV machine again, and I'm going to cure this for 5 minutes. And now while I'm waiting, it's a good time just to clean everything up. And so here we have it. Here is the finished UV resin miniature DIY. I absolutely love this. I think it's adorable, and I'm definitely going to have this sitting next to me on the desktop. If you enjoyed and appreciated this tutorial, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so and click the subscribe button here and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a single video. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next DIY.